Super-abrasive materials, diamond and CBN, the hardest and the second hardest material on Earth. Approximately 90% of diamond used in various industries are manufactured synthetically. Boris are professionally manufacturing synthetic diamond powder since 1990. We have professional engineers and synthetic diamond experts serving world-class customers like you all around the world. Our general types of diamond micron powder are BRM-A with regular shapes, which is our blocky series, our BRM-B with irregular shapes, which is our sharpened series. Our premium grades are BRM-GC and GQ, with very high strength, high purity, and great thermal stabilities. They are all suitable for every precision grinding, cutting, and polishing industry. At the core of Boris Company leadership position in the super-abrasive industry is our commitment to partner with you to solve your most demanding challenges, from problem solving to product improvement and product development project. Boris can help you to achieve your objective to improve competitive edge. Tap into our diamond expertise provided by the dedicated Boris research team. Contact your Boris representative today for more detailed information. Thanks for watching.